मायनिंग लिजाच्या पावणेची प्रक्रिया 3 ते 4 महिन्यांनी सुरू जातली। पावणे वेळार सध्याच्या कामगारांक पहिले प्राधान्य दितले हाची खात्री सरकार करून घेतले म्हूण मुखेलमंत्री डॉ. सावंतान सभाघरांत उतर दिला। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Now, I want to bring to the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister that after making promises, I don't want to go on every promise which was made of resuming mining, but the Honorable Chief Minister made a statement and they brought a bill in the House, which is the Goa Mineral Development Bill, which was passed as an act and got the assent of the Governor. What is the purpose of that bill? In Section 3, it is clearly said that this corporation is established for the purpose of carrying out mining operations and allied activities in an orderly, scientific and ecological sustainable manner. There shall be established by the government by notification a corporation by name Goa so and so. And Section 15, the functions of the corporation clearly show it shall obtain mining leases or grants, prospecting license under the MMRD Act and carry out mining operations in accordance with the said Act. Now, a contingent being made, Honorable Speaker, that it will be done by auction. If you start an auction process, it will never end. For the next 2 years, you won't have mining. Take my word, what will happen?
Department says it's 45 days. So तांच्याकडे उलोवप तो विषय एक सुरू आसा वेगळ्या पद्धतीत रिट्रेचमेंट स्कीम त्यांची जी केल्या तीजेर तर मेन हांगासर वेदांताच्या 2 युनियना मदीं वेगवेगळो विषय आसा ताका एकट्याक रिट्रेचमेंट स्कीम चलता एकट्याक एम्प्लॉयमेंट थंयच जाय आणि हे सगळें करता आसतना एक रायटली विषय जो बाब गणेश गांवकर हांच्यांनी जो मांडलो गव्हर्मेंट इज अवेर अबाउट बिसायड्स द 88 लिजीस ऑल्सो आमकां हे सुद्दां ऑक्शन प्रोसेसांतल्यानूच वयचें पडटलें आमकां तोय ऑक्शन प्रोसेस करपा खातीर बिसायड्स 88 लिजीस ऑल्सो वी हॅव आयडेंटिफायड एंड वी आर डुईंग डेट लिजीस इट इज तुवें आमी 6 म्हयने जरी म्हटलें जाल्यार प्रॅक्टिकल टायम आमी 3 to 4 months दिला आनी 3 ते 4 म्हयन्याच्या भितर हो लीज प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करून लिजीस